guys, welcome back to my channel, MissMariss. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so that you don't, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a smooth velocity edit on CAPCUT. An example will be here. Okay, so here we are in CAPCUT. I already got the video and music ready. So we just have to do the velocity. So first what you're gonna do is click on the audio, go to match cut, and auto generate. Then it will just have these like beats and where the music starts kinda. So yeah. On this beat, I'm gonna split it, put it to either 2 times 1.4 or 1.2. It really does not matter. I'm gonna do 2 though. And then split it really small. And then change this clip to 0.4. So yeah, that. And then on this beat, do the same thing. As you can see, the beats are the orange little dots. So yeah, I think I'm gonna change it to 1.4, but it really depends on how fast your video is. So yeah, you kind of just do that all over and over again. So I'll be with you guys when I'm done with that. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished doing that over and over again until the audio is done, and this is how it looks. Might be a bit laggy because right here, because it's just like that when you're like when you're editing, but when you download it, it will be better. So yeah, next you're gonna be going on overlay. Oh wait, also this part is optional. I don't do it that much, but for flashes, if you want, then just follow me. You add overlay, go to stock videos, and then choose this white one, and just scale it to fit the screen, and then put it like right when this happens. I don't know why it won't. Okay, oh well. And then put the splice to overlay. Actually, well, you could play around with them and whatever you think looks best, but I like doing overlay. So yeah, and then so I'm gonna make it like 0.3 seconds. Then you go to animation in, wait no, out, sorry, and then fade out. And then it should have a flash. And then you could like copy it, do that, copy it, do that, and just keep on going. Okay. Now it looks like this. Again, it is laggy because you're in the editing thing. If you do this though, it should be less laggy. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. That's why I love doing velocity on CapCut so much. I mean, you could do this thing, but in my opinion, I don't know, it's just a little choppy in a way. Okay. Let's see. As you can see, like right here, it just skips to a frame. That's what makes it like choppy, I think. Like it doesn't even move. It just skips to it. It does look alright, I guess, but I don't know. I definitely preferred this over it. Because then it will, one, in my opinion, look better, and two, it will match the audio. So yeah. Also, I originally saw this tutorial on 𝐦𝐵𝗔𝐴𝑋's channel. I will link her channel in the description. All I did was follow her tutorial, but she like slowed her recording down, like when she was recording it, and I can't do that in some games, so I decided to like mix it up a bit and do it differently a bit, but like still do it the way she taught me. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like, because I've not been having many people see my videos, to be honest, and it would make me super happy and help the channel out a lot. So yeah, there's a bunch of reasons why you should do that, unless you don't want to, of course. And yeah, I really like this tutorial because I think it's super simple, and I never thought velocity could be as simple. I thought it was like so confusing and hard to do until I found Liv's tutorial. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to her too. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.